Hi, I'm Liana, Allison, international award-winning empathic leadership coach here at the Institute of Empathic Leadership. And I'm here with the February 2019 energy update. Now, wow, wasn't January quite the month? We had so much going on, and from being activated by our subconscious patterns, by the things that we did in the month was about getting clear on what we wanted. It was about planning and taking action and how we did that and what was the best thing for us. Because we're an individual, however we do things, it's an individual way. We may have tools and techniques, but how it manifests is up to us. And those of you who got your yearly word, the theme for your year 2019, hasn't that been active? Mine was vulnerability, and I've had all sorts of opportunities to really look at my own vulnerability and how I use it, how I show it to the world. And by the way, we've got a webinar coming up on Tuesday, the 5th of February. There's a free webinar on how holding back your vulnerability can make you actually ill. So check that out on the Facebook page, Institute of Empathic Leadership, and you can find the link on the event so that you can register. And if you can't make it to that event, register anyway. I'll email the recording to you, so it makes it nice and easy. You can listen to it anytime you want. Sometimes the evenings don't suit everybody because, you know, there's kids and so many other things to be done once you're home from your day. So let's look at February. Now, business-wise, let's say we've got more of what we've just had. So consolidating your plan, making sure you're on track, making sure that you're taking the actions that you need to take so that you can use this really active energy to really push forward, really take those steps that will grow not only yourself and your life, but your business. So there's also a feeling in there that you may feel that you need to be a little bit cautious. You know, things are getting a little bit wobbly, you're not really sure. Normally when that happens, it's because you're too much in your head, you're overthinking things, and you're not actually following your heart. Now this month is a month where you can actually really stand in your heart, really stand in your power of the inner wisdom that you have. So make that practice your daily practice to really breathe into your heart and expand your energy and ground down into the earth so that you're not stuck in your head, you're not overthinking things, because that's where a lot of inertia happens. Overwhelm, inertia, anxiety, all happens because we're overdoing the thinking part of it. So check that out. Now, when we do the overthinking, there's quite often a subconscious pattern underneath it. So really check in to see what is underneath. Why are you overthinking? Why do you feel like you need to be cautious? Because in that pattern, you will find a whole heap of wisdom. And we want that subconscious pattern to come to the surface so when it's conscious, it doesn't have power over us. We can make choices. If we do the mental, emotional, physical and spiritual process to integrate it, then we can learn from it, use it in a positive way to move forward. So if it's holding you back, if something is holding you back, then the process is to dive into it, check it out, just curiously looking at what it is and what's the activator behind it. Now, obviously, if you need help with that, you can always contact me. But, you know, it's a daily practice that we all need to do. And I certainly do it because we all have subconscious patterns that influence us and the actions that we want to take. So I look forward to hearing about what's holding you back. if anything, or what you're doing, what you're achieving. So please let me know. I would love to hear from you. And I look forward to also offering you the March energy update next month, and or possibly seeing you on one of my webinars. Take care and have a great month.